Hi everyone, welcome to Top 7 YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Top 7 divine drink nature created by God. Let's start. Number 1. Pomegranate juice. The powerful pomegranate has been consistently praised recently for the healthy antioxidants it packs. Research has suggested that the red juice may help prevent inflammation, heart diseases and cancer. So having a glass every now and then is a good choice. Just make sure looks what and you are drinking, as some bottles are diluted of the what liquid as the added sugar. You want pure pomegranate, don't accept anything less. Number 2. Green tea. A cup of green tea is a better choice than cup of jolt of when what afternoon slump hits. You are joints of the caffeine of the buzz, so live well in their trick. With just enough caffeine and your energy boost, but not so much that crash later. And you will also get nice side antioxidant of the each cup. Number 3. Orange juice. A glass of fresh squid or really hits the spot, but some feel it. Take the so much effort for regular of basis. If that is the case, save it for when we'll make handling, like come agri season. Seasonal agrices and the bean shown to the smooth and bone vitamin C and quercetin. Both of which that freshly sprayed on the orange juice and contains. Number 4. Beet juice. Get ready to hear the imitating of the ism and beet. Beets have ability to lower your blood pressure, increase your stamina, increase the blood flow and brain order to adult, and make for healthy liver with the zero grains, strength of the fat and high magnesium, calcium and iron levels. The only downside, beet juice a little hard to find most grocery stores, so you may need make this at home or order from a juice bar. Number 5. Coconut water. Summer heat can cause of the dehydration of the brain but coconut water contains electrolytes of the essential of proper functioning of the cell. Electrolytes of the need to be balance your body carrying electrical impulses of the different organs of the brain. This is not water with coconut flavor added to it, but rather fruit of the inside of a coconut. It's great source of potassium with the one serving coconut water beating in the medium balance in banana. Coconut water is the good source of the electrolytes as well, including sodium and magnesium. This most famous drink in the Asian countries. Number 6. Papaya juice. This summer, drink is the best medicine for stomach-related ailment. Papaya is a rich source of the probiotic of the enzyme of the which enable digestion of the protein. The fruit, rejuvenated of the body during summer and also good for the heart. Number 7. Watermelon juice. Tasty red melons are best of summer season, as it's reduced the risk of kidney problems. Practically stones. The fruit juice also good skin problems like eczema. It is the best of health if juice of the head without sugar.